Hey loves, today is one of those quiet rainy days where everything feels a little slower, softer, and calmer. So I thought it would be the perfect time for a cozy bedroom reset. Today we're spending the day at home doing a full, realistic, slow cleaning routine. I'm all done with washing the sheets, but I still need to complete some organization, deep cleaning, dusting, and just refreshing the space and turning my bedroom back into my peaceful little sanctuary. If you enjoy cozy rainy day videos, slow living, home organization, cleaning motivation, relaxing home resets, and calming productivity, I think you guys will really enjoy today's video. So grab a warm drink and get comfortable, or grab your cleaning supplies and spend a peaceful rainy day with me. Also remember to subscribe and hype this video because I have so many more cozy uploads coming soon. Because I am the type of person that enjoys opening my windows every single day just to allow fresh air into my home, I tend to dust very frequently. So I just take my Swiffer duster and I start from my ceiling and I work my way all the way down to my floorboards. And occasionally I will take one of my mop heads because I do have a mop that you can change the head with. If you guys don't have that, a wet rag is just fine. And I will take my mop head and I will wet it and I will disinfect and clean down all of the walls. Of course, that is something that I do not do as often as I would like, but it does allow the home to feel fresher and also smell fresher. So I would recommend you guys doing that whenever you get the chance to, or just a simple dusting will also keep your home feeling and smelling really fresh. I also enjoy thousands of pillows on my bed. I know that's not everyone's cup of tea, but I like when my room feels like a resort or a getaway because this is my home. I just want to make it feel very peaceful. Now, I do have some changes that I would like to make to this room. Number one, I think I've told you guys this before, but I am considering creating a feature wall behind my bed, and I also want to go ahead and probably do something to the art that's directly over my bed. I want to add something else or create something else just to change it out for another look. Now, I'm not going to paint over this art. I'm probably going to do something on the other side of it, but I want a different feel, a more cozier feel. So I am thinking of changing some stuff, but of course when that time comes, I will share that with you guys. If you guys are interested in any of my favorite cleaning supplies, I do list everything on my LTK, so you guys can head over there and check them out. For the disinfectant, I usually use my Sagriton. You guys know I love my Sagriton down. And then for a freshener that I like to spray over my curtains as well as my bedding after I've put everything together is the Febreze. Now, a lot of people use bedding scents or perfume scents or whatnot on their bed. I find that the Febreze really makes the room smell fresh, especially the newer one that has the disinfectant inside it. That makes the room smell so clean, and I'm also saying it's disinfecting, so that's a plus. But what are you guys' favorite scents to spray on your bedding as well as your curtains? Because it doesn't stop after cleaning. You have to leave a scent lingering. And I love to have a daily scent that I can just spray on my bed after fixing everything up to make the room feel officially complete. To clean down my mirrors, I'm going in with a mixture that I made at home. It's just distilled water with a few drops of dish liquid and some vinegar, and I think it works perfect because I was not going out to buy the window cleaner from the Pink Stuff. Now the Pink Stuff does have some good products. I love her cleaning paste, I love that, but the glass spray I don't need. So I just kept the bottle, and I'm just going to be using my mixture and cleaning my mirrors down with some newspaper. You guys know I enjoy the shine that a newspaper gives a mirror or a window. It's just really nice. So that's what I'm using to clean my mirrors down with. What are some of you guys' favorite window products? I would like to try some new stuff if I could find them here in Germany, but let me know down below, what do you guys use on your windows and your mirrors? We have officially reached the end of today's slow rainy day clean with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys also cleaned along with me. Until next time, you guys be safe. Make sure you're taking care of yourself, your mental health, and make sure that you are refilling the cup that you are pouring from. As always, thank you guys for spending some time with me, and I will see you all in the next video. So as always, until next time, auf Wiedersehen.